Hello everyone, this is Bhumika. Welcome back to ZKTeco India's broadcast. In this video, we are going to take a look at the LX50, a reliable and efficient time attendance terminal. Designed to help organizations simplify attendance management. The LX50 features a compact design with an elegant look, making suitable for a wide range of workplace environment. It comes with 2.8-inch TFT display and also fingerprint authentication method. It supports self-service recorder reports which stored on the device and can be easily exported using a standard FAT32 formatted 8GB pen drive using a USB port. It also supports USB client communication. With its interactive interface and easy to use functionality, administrator can effortlessly manage the attendance data. It is also compatible with our desktop time attendance software ZKTime.net 3.0. Now let's open the box, see what's included. The document required to get started. The LX50 Time Attendance Terminal with backplate, 5-volt power adapter, and mounting screws for wall mount. Overall, the LX50 is a budget friendly as it is a user friendly. That concludes this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.